Well, top sources at the CJI office have informed CNN News 18 that CJI DY Chandrachud has proposed the name of Justice Sanjiv Khanna as his successor. A big development coming in at the top of the hour. We are also learning that CJI DY Chandrachud, in the communication to the union government, has stated that since he is demitting office on 11th of November, Justice Sanjiv Khanna should be his successor. We'll bring you more details with regards to who is Justice Sanjiv Khanna and more details with regards to the word that DY Chandrachud actually maintained with the union government with regards to him demitting the office on 11th of November and then proposing a name of the successor being Justice Sanjiv Khanna. But at the moment, we are receiving this top information from our sources at the CJI office who have informed CNN News 18 that this proposal has come in from Chief Justice of India DY Chandrachud. He has proposed the name of Justice Sanjiv Khanna as his successor. We have our legal correspondent Ananya Bhatnagar joining us on the broadcast. Ananya, very good morning to you. Like we said, DY Chandrachud will be demitting his office on 11th of November. He has proposed the name of Justice Sanjiv Khanna. What will be the next procedure now?
Well, definitely, this is a general procedure that is followed by every Chief Justice when he's about to retire, at least 2 or 3 weeks before his retirement. He actually writes to the Government of India, and the Government of India too writes to the Chief Justice asking for the new name who will be, who will be the successor of, in fact, the Chief Justice of India. And now Justice Chandrachud, who is presently serving as the Chief Justice of India, the 50th Chief Justice of India to be precise, has now sent the name of Justice Sanjiv Khanna, who will be his successor and would be the 51st Chief Justice of India of the country. It is, in fact, on November 11th this year that the Chief Justice of India would retire. Dr. Justice DY Chandrachud would retire, and Justice Sanjiv Khanna would then be taking the batons of the Supreme Court and be the head of the judiciary post that. Very clearly, Justice Khanna would have a tenure of over 6 months, which would continue till May next year. And very clearly, what would be very, very interesting to see that, there has been a remarkable tenure that has been given out by Chief Justice of India, Dr. Justice DY Chandrachud, various advancements that have happened, and the latest one being, in fact, the new building that the groundbreaking ceremony of the new building has happened. So, very crucially, the next tenure, the next Chief Justice of India's tenure, that is of Justice Khanna, would be of prime significance because, there would be a lot of new things that the Supreme Court is already witnessing. There are technological advancements that has happened during this tenure, and how would Justice Khanna take that forward? How would, this legacy be taken forward? It's something that would be very, very interesting to see.
Right. Ananya, also, if just for the better perspective for our viewers, if you could walk us through a little bit of backgrounder of if he becomes a successor of Chief Justice of India, DY Chandrachud at the moment, what is the backgrounder of, Justice Sanjiv Khanna?
Well, Justice Sanjiv Khanna is one of the finest judges when it comes to the Supreme Court. He was, in fact, a judge at the Delhi High Court first, and then he was elevated, in fact, to the topmost court of the country. Very puissant judge, various judgments in his name. He's been a part of various constitutional benches as well. And speaking administratively, he is very keen on technological advancements too. And in fact is also focused on, in fact, providing justice to everybody. So we might see that, and he is at this point of time the patron-in-chief of, in fact, NASA, that is the National Legal Services organization. And very clearly, he has worked remarkably when it comes to NASA, and hence whether he would be taking forward this legacy to provide justice to all is something that would be very, very interesting to see in his 6 months of tenure. Though the tenure is a little short one, but definitely can be a very, very remarkable one when it comes to this whole issue.
Right, Ananya. Thank you so much for bringing us all the latest with regards to that big development coming in straight from our sources at the CJI's office. So with that, we are slipping into a very short commercial break here on CNN News 18. Do stay on with us. We'll come right back with more on the other side.